Students, in this video I am going to explain you how to calculate equation of a line. So first equation of line, slope intercept form. Slope intercept form. Slope intercept form, as you know, suppose there is a line which is cutting some intercept on y-axis. So the intercept on y-axis, let it be C, and let it is making some angle theta with plus x-axis. See, from plus x direction it is making some angle theta. Let this line AB. Okay, so it's a slope of the line. Slope of the line. We can write it as M. M is the slope of line, and this is tan theta. So how to find equation of a line? Just see. Let P be a point, a general point which coordinate be x comma y. X comma y. Its coordinate is x. So if we draw perpendicular on x axis, so this distance is x, and from here to here this distance will be y. Is it obvious? Just see, since it is making some intercept on y-axis and this length is c, that's why what is it? Just see, if you draw a normal on this one, let this be a point Q. This point we can call it as some point A, B, C, D. Let D be this point. Okay. So see, if this angle is theta, this angle will also be equal to theta. Is it obvious? And this distance is x. This total is y, this is c. So what is this? Y minus c. Is it obvious? I think quite clear. So from this right angle triangle, but from right angle triangle DQP, tan theta is equal to perpendicular upon base x. Now equation 1, this is equation 2. Therefore, from equation 1, putting the value of tan theta as m. Therefore, from equation 1, tan theta is m is equal to y minus c upon x. It implies that by cross multiplication, mx is equal to y minus c. It implies that y is equal to mx plus c. So this is your equation of a line in slope intercept form, y, where m is the slope of a line, and c is the intercept cut by the line on y axis. Okay, if this c will be negative, just like if y is equal to 2x minus 3, means if this intercept is negative, means the line is passing from this is your origin, so line is passing from below to this origin, means cutting negative intercept on negative y axis below the origin. Okay, and if it is plus, it means it is cutting some intercept on plus y axis. So, and if m is positive, means it is making acute angle with plus x axis, and if it is minus, means it is making obtuse angle with plus x axis. Okay, so this is your first equation, that is called as slope intercept form. Next one, equation of a line passing through one point, and its slope is known, is given. Equation of a line passing through one point and its slope is given, means suppose a line is like this, which is passing through one point. Let it is passing through a point P or a point A, which coordinate is x1, y1. Let general point P is here, its coordinate is x comma y, and its slope theta, tan theta is given. So slope of the line m is tan theta given. Okay. Now this line is passing through this point x1, y1. So if you draw a normal on it, so by the coordinate geometry, this is x from here to here, x1. Therefore, what is this? X minus x1, this much. And similarly, this total is y, and this is y1. Therefore, this is y minus y1. Since this total is y, and this much is what? y1. So total minus this y1 is this one. So from here, this will also be theta. So in right angle triangle A, let this be Q, AQP, tan theta is equal to perpendicular upon base x minus x1. Now it implies that this tan theta from equation 1, m is equal to y minus y1 upon x minus x1. This implies that y minus y1 is equal to m x minus x1. So this is the equation of a line passing through one point and which slope is m. Now equation of a line passing through 2 points this time. Passing through 2 points. Suppose this AB, x2, y2. Okay. Anywhere we can take equation of a line passing through 2 points and its slope is given, not given. Suppose this time slope is not given. Only 2 points are given. A new diagram. Suppose there is a line passing through 2 points. Let A and B are 2 points. Here, its coordinate x1, y1 and x2, y2 here. Okay. So if P be a point somewhere here, just see. If you draw like this, then this is angle theta. So there are 2 right angles, this one and this one. Let this point be Q, this point be R. Then from a right angle triangle AQB, just see this tan theta is equal to, here this one is origin x2, this one is your x1. So this one is your x2 minus x1, and similarly this one y2 minus y1. So tan theta is equal to y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1, equation number 1. Now in a right angle triangle, this ARP, P is your x comma y, ARP. Just see this tan theta is equal to, this time PR, perpendicular, upon base is AR. So what can you write? This PR means this total is your y as per coordinate geometry, and this one is what? See y1. So this is your y minus y1. Similarly, what is this? X minus x1. So y minus y1 upon x minus x1. This is your tan theta. Equation 2. From equation 1 and 2, from equation 1 and 2, left hand side tan theta, both are equal. Therefore, their right side should also be equal. Either like this you can think, or you can put the value of tan theta from here into equation 2. So, putting the value, what you get? y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1 is equal to, this is equal to y minus y1 upon x minus x1, or this implies that y minus y1 is equal to y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1 here into x minus x1. So this is the equation of a line passing through 2 points. See here, x1 y1 and x2 y2 are 2 points which coordinates are given. So you can put their values in this equation and you can find the equation of a line passing through 2 points. Now let's see some numerical. So some numericals are here. Find equation of a line joining 2 points P11 and Q2, 3. Means what? You can take x1 y1, x2 y2, and you know how to find y minus y1 is equal to y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1 into x minus x1. See, putting these values we can calculate, we can find equation of a line. Similarly, these two questions you can solve putting the values only. Here next one, find equation of a line passing through the point 4, 3. A point is given, means x1, y1 is given, and parallel to this one. Parallel to this, in previous lecture, I have already explained you how to calculate slope of a line which is parallel to one line. Suppose a line which is parallel to this one, so that slope will be equal to the slope of this line. First of all, you can find slope of this line. How? Just you can convert it in this form mx plus c. How? Just see, like here 4y is equal to minus 3x plus 12. So y is equal to minus 3 by 4x plus 3. So whatever in the multiplication of x, just see, that will be slope. So slope of this line is minus 3 by 4. Therefore slope of a line parallel to this one will also be equal to minus 3 by 4. So if slope is known, x1 y1 is known, so you know equation of a line passing through one point and which slope is given, y minus y1 is equal to m x minus x1. Putting these values x1 y1 of x1 y1 and m, you can calculate equation of this line. Similarly, some more questions. Suppose in the same question you can solve it like, find the equation of a line passing through the point the same this and perpendicular to this one. So if you have your required line is perpendicular to this one, again you need to calculate slope of this one as this one, but now the required line is perpendicular to this one, so you will find the slope of that line by using m1 into m2 is equal to minus 1, and then you can put in this equation, you can calculate equation of a line. Thank you so much.